Good morning, children. Today we will do message writing. Let's see what is the format and examples of message writing. Now, first of all, what is a message? A message is informal means of communication. For writing a message, the receiver of the message has to go through all the content to gain the information. Now, when the message is written, the message is written when you have to convey a piece of information to someone, but we are unable to do that orally. There are some points for message writing. First of all, mention the date and time when the message was written. Second is, only a brief salutation should be given. For example, dear mom. Don't write respected mom or such as. You can write down mom as well. Next, message should contain only the important information. Irrelevant information should not be used. For writing the message, put the sender's name and signature at the end of the message. After that, put your message in a box. The most important point is never exceed word limit. The word limit should not be more than 50 words. For writing a message, you should use indirect speech. Now, what is the format of the message? First of all, write down the word message in center. After that, date on which the message is written. After that, the time. After that, leave a blank line, and in the next line you will write down the addressee, the name of the addressee to whom you are writing a message. After addressee, write down the body of the content. Your words should not exceed more than 50 words. After that, leave a blank line. Then write down the name of the addresser who is writing the message. Yes, let's see it with an example. Suppose you are Anita or Anish. You stay in a hostel and share a room with Meeta or Manish, your classmates. You have been detected with typhoid fever and some other complications. For this reason, you have to be admitted in a hospital immediately. Draft a message telling your roommate why and where you are going, that you will be back in 7 days. Also request him or her to submit your maths notebooks for checking. Now, write down the word message in the center. It can be in capital letter as well as in running. After that, write down date 16 September 2021. After date, you will write down the time. After time, then write down the name of the addressee to whom you are writing the message. As in this case, Meeta is the addressee and Anita is addresser. Anita is giving a message to Meeta. I am going to the hospital as I have been detected with typhoid fever and some other complications. I will be admitted in the hospital for 7 days. Please submit my maths notebook for checking. Anita, after completing the message, put it in a box.